बहुत हो गई कवाली, अब वक्त है जाने का, चलो निकल लो, वक्त है खाने का।
Farooq Chauhan, surely the most entertaining person. He got the award, very well deserved. Now I would like to invite third year students. They just come up with a few titles for a few final year students. Please welcome third year students.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. We are third years. As we all know that from the tomorrow sun, our final year student will be not with us. They will, इस बात की हमें थोड़ी सी खुशी भी है और थोड़ा गम भी। खुशी इसलिए कि वो प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड में जाके एनईडी का नाम रोशन करेंगे, और गम इस चीज का कि वो कल से हमारे साथ न होंगे। So we have few titles for them, and I would like to call on Miss Anne first.
And her title is नज़ाकत नाज़नीनों से चुराई नहीं जाती, नज़ाकत नाज़नीनों से चुराई नहीं जाती, खुदा जब हुस्न देता है नज़ाकत आ ही जाती है। मिस एन।
And the next is Hajra.
And her good title is गुलशन आपसे इबारत है बहारें आपसे जिंदा हैं, गुलशन आपसे इबारत है बहारें आपसे जिंदा हैं, आपके सामने फूलों से भी मुरझाया नहीं जाता। मिस हाजरा। Combined production. Good, yes, thank you.
And the third one is Faisal Adnan.
And his title is आपके बाद अंधेरा होगा महफिल में, आपके बाद अंधेरा होगा महफिल में, कई चिराग जलाने पड़ेंगे रोशनी के लिए।
Now we have a group of 4 girls, Noreen, Anika, Binish and Kiran.
And their title is ये तेरे खदो खाल में मरियम का तकद्दुस, ये तेरे खदो खाल में मरियम का तकद्दुस, आंखों को झुका लूं तो इबादत सी लगे है। Please come up on the stage. 1 2 3 4।
And organizer of such a wonderful evening, Chaudhary, Mr. Chaudhary from Section B. Sorry, Section A.
And his good title is जिंदगी के हजार रंग, जिंदगी के हजार पैमाने, जिंदगी के हजार रंग एंड जिंदगी के हजार पैमाने, आदमी रफ्ता रफ्ता खुलता है, हम तुम्हें कैसे पहचाने।
And last but not the least, Faisal Khwaja.
न दश्त ही मेरी मंजिल है ना घर में रहना है, न दश्त ही मेरी मंजिल है ना घर में रहना है, मैं रोशनी हूँ मुझे तो सफर में रहना है। We are third year electrical. Thanks.
Thank you, third year students. That was very nice of you. Next, I think we've had enough of humor. It's time for some serious business.
I would like to invite Jamil Hai to give us a brief view upon how we perceived NED in these years that we've spent over here. Jamil Hai.
Jamil is one of the best students I have known in NED. Please welcome Jimmy Hai.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, I find myself standing not alone, but with my fellow Canadians at the pinnacle of our baccalaureate education. Today, we are more refined individuals than what we were 4 years back. For where we stand today, we have a lot to thank to our teachers and all those people who have guided us through these years of education. I take this opportunity tonight to take stance and look back at my life at this prestigious institute. The undergraduate education in the life of an engineer serves the same role as does the prime mover in a rotating machine. It provides us with the necessary impetus to surpass the limits and finally to ensconce in a satisfied and accomplished life. NED has provided us with that launching pad. It has blessed us with that fundamental knowledge which, if we blend with our intelligence and practical exposure, can endow us with the ultimate professional success. Wherever we go from here tomorrow, whether for higher education abroad or a job opportunity, NED is and will always remain our academic home, inshallah. I have absolutely no doubts in my mind that NED has made the best engineers out of us. But in my opinion, what we lack is the integration of professionalism with communication skills, an attribute which is essential for today's competitive world. Here I would like to narrate an incident with an executive of a multinational company. I went to him to inquire about my future prospects and opportunities. He told me that his organization has almost stopped employing NED graduates, and instead of that, they have switched to other organizations like GIK. I asked him, why is this? He very simply answered me that NEDians do not know how to present themselves, and despite their sound technical background, their front end is really poor. After this meeting, I felt both apprehensive and curious. Apprehensive because I am an NEDian too, and curious because I was searching for that change in our academic environment which could enable our graduates to acquire these necessary communication skills. In my view, the only solution to this problem is presentations. I can very proudly claim today that I have studied 41 subjects in this great university, but I am really very sorry to say that I have given presentations in only 4. I hence request my respected teachers to look into this matter and solve it. An important step in this regard should be the establishment of proper dramatic societies and other extracurricular activities. By the way, I am not talking about those extracurricular activities which are finally responsible for the intrusion of rangers, but I am talking about those which are necessary for the professional grooming of an engineer. I am really confident that if NED incorporates these changes, then it will not be a problem for our graduates to emulate the standards of their counterparts belonging to those institutions which are at the moment struggling with their infancy when NED celebrates its silver jubilee. Before concluding this, I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude towards our Vice Chancellor, Engineer Abul Kalam, who provided us a perfectly harmonious atmosphere which enabled us to complete our coursework within the specified time. I did not take the podium tonight to comment or to criticize, since I do not deem myself worthy enough. But the sole reason of it was to highlight the point that today we are amongst the luckiest people who can proudly call themselves NEDians. I am an NEDian. You are NEDians, and together we can and will raise our country and this institution to stand amongst the skyscrapers of prosperity in the world. When men but set their minds to it can kick a mountain to powder.
Jameel, hi, with those wonderful words, really pumping.
I kindly request the chairman of the electrical department to come up on stage and please say a few words.
Please, Dr. Talat Altaf Saab. Thank you.
I appreciate the efforts the organizers made, including the teachers and everybody else who pursued for this function to be a success. Actually, I was not in against of such gatherings and functions. The problem is that you should yourself contain within limit. You should not exceed. We have witnessed since last 2-3 days how you had been behaving in the corridors, and now we see here you have lots of talents. We appreciate it. I had no doubt in my mind that you have